Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team Skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. Charizard C, Take 2, Super Boss number 11, Bayleef, Week 2 Hurricane. Let's do this. Just quickly charging up Hurricane. And killing him with Hurricane. There you go. Next super boss is a Meganium. It's a super boss number 12. Also weak to Hurricane, guys. Let's quickly kill him, but I think someone's gonna speak. Hey there, it's Kali from the Adventurers Club. Thanks so much for your help with the research at Charizard C. SPL Gum, due to the efforts of you and your fellow adventurers, our basic research into Charizard C, Take 2, has reached the final act. All that's left is our inquiry into the strength of Meganium, but it's been tough going. I can't wait to hear that you've beaten it. Kill him. You're dead, you're so dead, you're so dead. You're so dead. I am going to kill you, kill you, kill you, kill you, kill you. Yes, SPL Gum, I knew you'd be able to take down Meganium. And that wraps up our basic research at Charizard C. Thanks. Moving on, guys. Pupitar is Super Boss number 13. And it's revealed it's the same, exactly the same island as a long time ago. We're almost done with the research at Charizard C, but we've just heard some curious news. It seems like even stronger Pokemon have started showing up. Can I ask you to check it out? It's the exact same thing, guys, as Charizard C way before. Yeah. Entei. Okay, why did I press this? Anyway, let's just do this, guys. So many Houndoom and Houndours. Wow. I like. Charging you up. Are you also using the same attack as me, Ancient Power? Awesome. Quickly transferring all these Pokemon. And on to the next super boss, guys. Super boss number 13, Pupitar. We're not exactly good with that stat. With those equipment, we're switching back to this Earth Power Corsola. And we're gonna kill him. Just hit him a few times and kill him. There you go. Blastoise is super boss number 14. It's kind of late, that's why I'm not exactly talking that much because I'm kind of sleepy already. And the problem is we've hit a roadblock, guys. 46 out of 49 Pokemon to be caught. Any floating balloons? If not, let's just tap randomly, try to catch some Pokemon. We'll see how things go. Four-star Igglybuff. Cleffa. Weird that Cleffa and Igglybuff, then suddenly a Donphan. Let's try and catch a Fanfi. Fanfi! There you go. Flamethrower. Okay. Okay, guys, I think we're ready. But there are several Pokemon that we can actually catch. Let's try and get as many as we can. Planty Pants. Grassland. Okay. I think that's a Meganium. Try and catch the others. So many to be caught, guys. You know what? Let's switch Pokemon. My favorite for farming. But unfortunately, I think I swapped my equipment. Never mind, guys. It was supposed to be my Earthquake Pokemon. And guys, I think I'll leave the other Pokemon later on after Super Boss 15. I think it's time to move on. Let's just get to it. Super Boss number 14 is a Blastoise. And we are switching to our... Ugh. Let's just switch to Leaf Blade gear, guys. Battle. And that's it. Super Boss number 14 is dead. Last Super Boss for this video, guys. Typhlosion, Super Boss number 15. Weak to Earth, Power, weak to Leaf Blade. Not weak to Leaf Blade, rather. Let's just switch our summon gear to magnitude gear. And let's end this, guys. I'll end the day with Super Boss number 15. I'll do 16 onwards tomorrow. So, here we go. Final Super Boss for the day. Go summon. Go die. And that's it. That was Super Boss number 15, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys tomorrow.